Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. So today I'm going to make this beetroot and potato. I'm just going to fry it basically with some onions and garlic. It really is super tasty. Really quite a famous Ethiopian dish. Obviously vegan, vegetarian, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got 3 tablespoons of oil in there. You can use any oil you like, a sunflower, corn, olive oil, up to you. Medium heat. We're going to start off by dropping in our beets. And then to that I'm going to add some salt and black pepper. And like I say, medium heat, don't go crazy, because you want to fry these quite gently for about 5 to 6 minutes, stirring often. So we've given our beets a real nice head start. We're now going to add in our potatoes, or dinich as they say in Amharic, and we're going to go for about another 4 to 5 minutes, again on the medium heat, stirring fairly often. So easy, this one, beautiful. Okay, beautiful. Nice and gentle, cook it really nice and gently, you know. Now I forgot to tell you the name of beetroot in Amharic, which is kaisa. So we've got kaisa and we've got dinich in there. We're now going to add onion, 1 cup of onion, which is shinkut, and 1 tablespoon of garlic, which is nech shinkut, which translates to white onion. So keep it nice and gentle, keep going for about another 5 or 6 minutes until the potatoes and the beets are nice and tender. It's done. It's really simple. Okay, off goes the heat. Really simple and really beautiful. Just check that for salt. For me it's great. I'll serve that. Okay, and there she goes. Really simple and really tasty. Just serve that with some fresh chilies on the top there. Really happy. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.